Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it is updated weekly. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily customize the materials and the design of a sachet mockup. Let's select a mockup. I think this is the one. Let's take a closer look at it. I like it. Let's create a new project. This is what the default 3D sachet model looks like. Let's turn off the drop shadow for more convenience while adjusting the materials. Let's start setting up the materials of this sachet. In the Materials gallery, we select the material that suits us. Next, let's change the color of this material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's adjust the material a little. Let's make it a bit lighter. Good. Now we will change the material of the part called the edge sachet. Here's a nice bright material that definitely suits us. Looks fantastic. I really like the result and enjoy working in Provisual. Let's add some design to it now. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some design files for our sachet. Let's add the first design element. Let's place the design on the front side of the sachet, following the UV map. Great, saving the design. Now let's place the design on the back of the sachet. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel once again. Let's rotate our design element 180 degrees and place it at the bottom of the UV map. Let's rotate the model to match the design on both sides of the sachet. Excellent. Saving the design. Now turn the model around and adjust the design on the back of the sachet. Make sure the design layer is active. Next, we will change the material of our design. Glossy material looks nice. In the material settings, we will add reflections to the material as well. Perfect. Now let's turn the model again and customize the design on the front side of the sachet. Let's copy the material settings from the back side and apply them in the Design tab of the front side, like this. Now let's add some volume to our design using our great bevel feature. Amazing. I think we should set up the exclusive lighting for our 3D model. Let's go to the Environment tab and change the lighting of our sachet. Next, we'll give our product some personality by changing the color of the lighting. We'll also rotate the light horizontally and vertically. Like this. Okay, turning the drop shadow back on. Let's add a fun background for our sachet. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have here. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you, or add your own image. Let's add one. Great. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save our project now. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a sachet design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.